Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about how can create some of the new component and how can visible this component in your page. I hope it's very much clear to you. So now in this video, I want to discuss about that JSX. So as I told you before friend, that is one of the HTML code. So this React library help you to convert HTML code to the JSX code. So that is one of the JSX code, but it's converted to the HTML code. So if you don't want to use it like with this JS library with the DOM, you can actually do that work. But I show you like that is our total return. I make it as a comment out. Okay, I make it as a comment out, and into the DOM before I have already discussed about that things with you. Then what exactly you have to do? I simply return and return with the React library. So that is our React library. Okay, I want to use that React, and into this React library there is also another method as a create element. Remember, so that will be as a create and then element. So this create element, into this create element here I want to create our this div. So first time that will be one of the div, and into this div area there is one of the class name as a app, and then one of the h1 tag, and then there is some of the text, right? So for the first time I want to create one of the new element as a div. So that is our create element method, and into this create element method area I want to create one of the div. Okay friend, and into this div area there is also another class name. I want to load this class name with the curly bracket. So that will be as a class name. So I simply loaded our class name. Our class name will be as a app, right? So that is a class name and then the app. Great. And after that we have to create another element for the h1 tag, right? And also that have some of the string value. I want to do here after this I want to take another one. So here also we have to first of all load our React with this from the React library. I want to access another function that will be as a create, and that is a create element, right? So that is a create element. So into this create element area here I want to create another one. So that will be as a h1, right? I will simply loaded that h1, and into this h1 that another parameter. If you want to pass that value as a null value, you can pass this. Okay, I simply pass that as a null value. So after that I want to display our text. Our text will be which one? Our text will be as a this is the text file. Okay, I simply load it as a this is the text file. Great. So that is our total format if you want to use it. So now that is our DOM code. Now our result will be just like that same. Now if you want to check it, click as a save all, and now if you go to our site, refresh it, yeah, you can see our result is just like that same. So if you want to change it, like I make it as a 4.4, now click as a save all, now go there, refresh it, you can see there is a display as a 4.4. Okay, I hope you get some of the idea. You can do the things like that way. So rather than that is our total default one. So in our project we will actually use this part better. Right now I want to make it as a comment out, and here I want to open it. Okay, so now it simply open it. So into this div there is a class name. So I hope you already know into the HTML we are using only the class, but in React you have to use it as a class name. Rather than some of the time it may create some of the conflict. Okay, always try to use that as a class name. That will be better. Now click as a save all, and now after that if you refresh it, yeah, our result is the same. Great. Okay friend, so that is as I told you. So that is our JSX. So that is our React library. So with this React library it's help you to convert your HTML code to the JSX. Okay, I hope it's very much clear to you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.